Afternoon, peeps. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Let me see. I might have to get this out for a minute. Anybody notice anything going on? Like, I don't know, Bitcoin hitting 100,000 as I called out every day for the last several months has been dropping. GBP, JPY rocketing upward as called. Ethereum going up as called. XRP going up as called. Just saying. Just saying. 37. Oh, shit. Oh, that's not good. I'm going to have to look at this as. Anyway, I hope you guys are catching some of the action, having some fun. So cold. What's your face? Oh, wow. All right, PPWBs, let's see. What is his? I'll redo the morning video that I did on psychology from this morning. It was added forward. But anyway, let's take a look here. What we got? Oh, look at there. Bitcoin hits 100,000. Oh, geez. I don't remember anybody saying that. Do you? Except for me. Ethereum hits 30-day high. Whoa. It's also from this yesterday. It's also up higher than that. Gee whiz, really? I had no idea. Who's the other one? We had another one. We had GBP, JPY, GY, also up. Ethereum also up. Bitcoin 100 grand. Gee, I wonder if you go back and look and see exactly what was called. Every one of those called by me, by the system, thanks to God. All of them correct, all of them in the money, as per usual. Now, let's see what we got here. What's up, Marley? I think you're number one. Oh, or is Greg? Well, you're both number one. What's up, Greg Hawkins? What's up, Marley? What's up, Panda Trader? What's up, Jesus? God bless his right. No, don't say any of that stuff, Crash. But thank you, Crash. What's up, Crash? What's up, Blue Tide Acrylics? Buy the system. I'm just saying. Bitcoin to 100,000. Yep, that's true. That's true. Called. Ethereum, called. GBP, JPY, called. All because of the kick-ass. There's GBP, JPY. This is a 9-hour, right? Told you exactly where it's going. Weekly, 3 weekly buy stops, JPY is going to go up a little bit more now. I already hit it, I think. It's going to go back up to right here. 195.866, and then it's going to go up. Well, that's whatever wants to do. 202, and that's good enough for JPY. Bitcoin. Gee, folks, I don't know. Did anyone here say this was going to go? Let's see, Bitcoin was going to go to 90, well, actually 80. Where was my Bitcoin? What's the first call for that? 94,000, 95,000, 100. That wasn't good. Every call out area go. This is Bitcoin 83,000 daily weekly take profit, 85,000 hit, 85,000 take profit 2 hit, 89,000 take profit 3 hit, 95,000 take profit 4 hit, 100,000 take profit 5 hit. This is Bitcoin. Okay. If you look over here, to go to 105, 110, 120. Call out date was on 4/26. As a matter of fact, I was doing it beginning of the month too. So these are all the call outs for Bitcoin. They're all correct. You're welcome. Easy peasy money. What's up, Eric? What's up, Jacob and Crash? Asus, what's up, peeps? So that's your Bitcoin. Easy call on Earth. Why? And the named videos after it. It's always a buy. This is going to go up a touch. Might be now. Yeah, I have a feeling come Monday, you'll see this touch the green, touch the yellow right here. This black space will fill in. This will be over 80. Most important indicator ever made is this. And then you're going to see it already with past this orange line. So there you go. Bitcoin is finished. As far as I'm concerned, it's going to reset again. Ethereum's got so much to go up. It's not even funny. Ethereum is it's going to take forever though. There it is, right around. It's going to go up. XRP, on the other hand, though, we do have a much easier time with XRP. XRP is going to, and I've already put this, but I'll tell you again, $2.50. And then XRP is going to go up to 280, 320, 360, and $4, and then that'll run. And that is XRP. That is Bitcoin. That is GPP, JPP, and that is Ethereum. All in the money, all called out correctly by the system, all correct. Now let's go back to the business at hand. US30. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at that go. Gee, I wonder if it's going up towards us. Oh, look at that. I'm calling this oh, it is over 2 hours. Oh, it is over the 2 hour. Where's my money at? Hold on. 1,600 pips on a buy, 80 grand on a buy, demo trade only. 430 on 430, I did a buy at 0.5 US30. My in price, stop losses, and take profit. We're up over 1,600 pips. Number 2 hour, we rode the third to the buy stop to the 30-minute 2 weeks ago. We rode the 45-minute a week ago. Last week we rode the 90-minute. This week we're riding the 90 minutes to the 2 hour. US30 up 1,600 pips at the 0.5. We're up 800 here, so 1,600. That's incredible. And that is look at that go right there. There it is. Buy stop. You don't need to know news. You don't need to know RSIs. You don't need to know candle patterns. You don't need to know volume. You don't need to know technical data. What you need to know is your colors. If you can see the difference between green and red, like Christmas around here, bingo, babo, bango, right to the fucking 2 hour blue line, as called out and traded out live and drawn out live with you guys. How gorgeous is that? For those of you who have short-term memory loss, let's see if you're around here. What did I leave you with right here? What did I leave you with? What did I sell? Stops wouldn't touch that though. Then buy stops. US 32 hour blue line would absolutely take this trade. I left with you this with about 8 o'clock this morning. I told you where it was going to go yesterday and the day before and the day before that, and the day for that, but just yesterday for as far as this 2 hour goes. I would absolutely take this trade to the US 30 2 hour blue line. And let's see what it looks like. Oh, there it is. Whoa. There it is. So let's go over here now. Let's move this over here just for a second. And let's, I wish I could make this font smaller right here. I can't do. All right, so turn this over a little. Let's see how many pips we caught just today. We caught everyone humanly possible up to the line right there. That is over 540 pips. So you made 500 pips today. 500 pips was made today. There it is. Caught everything humanly possible. Look at how beautiful the system is. It tracks it. Now you can see the sniper being checked. Look at this shit. Like a breathing system we have now. Buy stops forming, telling you where it's going. This is incredible. Let me go ahead and change these hours. We have to go up again. We're going to have to do more. So we're going to change the 90-minute to 2 hours. I'm so happy I can do this. 150. 2 hours and 30 minutes. Let me see what it looks like. You'll see this change around a little bit. System is absolutely freaking incredible. There you go. Look at that gorgeousness. Next up, the 150. But we do have to go over here and verify something first. Here we go. We need to make this the hold on 1 second. Those little ticks. Tick tock. What's the 150. So that would be 2 hours, 2.5 hours, right? Okay. Not quite as strong on this one. The force is not quite as strong, but we're there. Interesting. It's barely above. It's interesting right here. It is a buy stop. Doesn't seem to be the correct one. I don't see enough blue movement down right here. Yeah, it's interesting. Still call it buy stop. Take any buy stop below 2 hours and 50 minutes, 2.5 hours. It's just a cheese pizza. To the left. How many tips do we have available on the street right here? That is another 100, about 50 to 100 more pips on US30 you can expect to get out of this trade. Let me see. Just jump to 3 hours. Yeah. You can put a 3 hour in there. So can you not see the W's? I just got to say something with these. Is there just some things that are just, I don't, maybe a little slower than someone might know. Look, every one. Every one of them. Do you not see the patterns? This is 2 hour all indices, all 5 indices. Tracking all 6 indices. This is actually upwards. Filled in the gap, went up. Sniper rifle called it perfectly. Wow, amazing. Buy stop to the 3 hour blue line. I'm going to skip the other one. We're going to go back over here. Change this to just a plain old 3 hours for the 2 hour. Well, I'll leave it here. I'll leave it. And there you go. There'll be an overnight reversal. Today's Friday. There'll be an overnight reversal. Oh, today's Thursday. Oh yeah, tonight. Okay, so let me give you your new call outs for today. We're going to go right to it. It is so fucking amazing. This is so fucking amazing. How this thing is thinking over here. I know y'all. Oh, it's just flashing. Oh yeah, right. No, Keith is checking 1 second on all. Matter of fact, these are also going. We just don't have to activate over here. But yeah, no, these are checking all all snipers from 1 second all the way up, and checking it over and over and over again to see if it's correct or not. Make these calls for you. Fucking what Keith does is sick. He's just incredible. All right, so these are your next call outs for you. Heads up on this. These are for let's go with some free call outs. Let's see. Let the magic begin. For NAS, SPX, US30, ES1 is in the game, NQ1, YL1. I missed anybody? Nope, I think we're good. Between now and 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, look for an overnight reversal, i.e. the 1 second will turn red, then the 5 second charts. Demo only play the, I don't care, pick one, 10 second or 15-second reversal to red when 3 out of the 5 change. The other 2 will follow. Or play, if you like, not I. Or be patient and play any buy stops on any of those symbols until the 2.5 hour blue line is hit by US30. And so that should be pretty self-explanatory to you all. Then, let me move this up just a little bit. Then, now this is up to you how you guys want to do this. Okay. The sell, that's going to kick, and I know it isn't. Trump's going to be crushed. Never play a sell because it's because they are weekly buys. That's the weekly buys. That's of all. And explain that this morning in case some of you weren't aware. Oh, good day, Traders. What's up, Mr. Gold? Long time no see. Hope you've been blessed. What's up, Richard Tuck and Persistent and Kirk Brown and Eric and Jacob? Good morning to all of you. Yay. All right. I'm going to leave you all with that train of thought. Unless somebody has any kind of questions, please ask. Any kind of positive comments would be nice. Please bring them up. If you have any kind of other comments, bring those up too. The little fella who did the it was a I can't even say it. It was a reverse head and shoulders. Never did send in his phone number because they're all keyboard warriors and they all have nothing behind what they say because they can't back up one thing ever, trying to tell me that there is a consistent way to trade head and shoulders, or what in his case even more moronic, a reverse head and shoulders. Some people aren't even born with common sense. What's up, Martin? interest rates went up. I can care less. Hopefully they drop it down. We need a good pullback. Interest rates fall on down. What did they do for FOMC yesterday? Wasn't that interest rates? No, I don't give two fucks about it. I just like to play and make money for you guys. All right. Any questions, any comments, any concerns, please speak up. What's up, Joe Bigga? What's up, people on TikTok? What's up, Larry Cooper? Giro Baru, Persistent, FX Wolf, Annie Apple, user 4612, Robaba, Joe Bigga. What's up, everyone? What's up, Tony Villavogue? I know you've been cranking it. What's up, Anthony? Joe Bigga. I just wanted to reiterate that I did call out Bitcoin to 100,000. That's what really caught my eye. Bitcoin to 100,000. Yep, as called out. And I told you, and I drew it out, and I told you, and I drew it out, and I told you. And I also told you about Ethereum hitting its 30-day high and it's going to keep going. And I also told you about GBP JPY, and that was a trigger there, and it's going up. Boom. GBP JPY, thank God, called it out. Ethereum, thank God, called it out. Bitcoin, thank God, called it out. US30, thank God, called it out. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. Letting a runner run on US30 from April 30th, letting a runner run on gold from January 13th. I think I'm going to hold that gold one for a year, the whole entire year. That's going to be so fucking cool. By the way, only trading out of one account. Some silly ass person 2 days ago, 3 days ago. Or you're blowing account after account for all really? But I'm trading out this same account. Da, 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 da. Some people have no common sense. They just can't stand that other people are successful. See all the red here? Then you can trade 3 out of the 5 get here. Or you can trade when 3 out of the 5 get this way. Or you can trade when 3 out of the 5 go on 15 seconds. Or you can trade 3 out of the 5 when these 3 change and those 2 don't. Hey, which way? It'll reverse. Maybe not now. I'm not saying now. It's not now. I'm saying pay attention to when these 2 reverse and so on. Now we do have this new one right here, which is sending out signals, but he's going to tweak it because it's sending out too many. So we have, we're fixing it up. It should be ready to roll. Although I would guess, best guess by the end of the month here, we'll have it to you guys. That was yesterday. There you go, Mark Lewis. Yeah, I was thinking it was. Whew. All right. That's okay, Martin. I do that shit all the time. I never know what's going on, especially with news. I'm so fucking clueless with news. I have zero knowledge of news. All right. Well, God bless you all. I don't think I'll be on later today. I might be, but I doubt it. I'm not even sure if I'm going to be on tomorrow morning. We'll see about that. It's possible. It's possible. You never know. Never know. All right. Well, guys, God bless. Take care. With little pictures here so you can see it. Can you look at Anthony? Okay, it was yesterday. Yeah, can you look at USD? Ah, geez, really, Tony? For you all do it. I really want to do this. All right. AUD USD. It's a forex currency. You can hear it's a nice one. It's a big one. Been around for forever. Oh, well, we gotta look at it over here. We have to look at it with the sniper. The sniper AUD USD. There we go. All right, let's see what the sniper says. Sniper applies. This is the only one. I'm not doing any other symbols. I'm leaving it to this. No fucking ask. 1 second. Don't care. Don't care. Don't care. What's weird right here between these 2? Let's see what's up. Sell stop. Sell in the 30-minute blue line. Take profit 1. Oh, shit. 0.63852. Sell stop. 30-minute AUD USD. Now let's go up to higher. things right here. See what's going on. Buy stop. This is a buy stop. Oh, yeah. This is gorgeous. Buy stop to the 12-hour blue line AUD USD. Take profits, whatever. This is 1.65383. Then hit the data, I call it to the daily blue line 0.68. 0.6. Oh, what the fuck this shit is? I swear. I just want to go back to my 70-inch TV. 0.66565. Close enough for all I care about. I want to see up here what's happening. So this is really, there's a better one. This is really rough right there. Yeah, I don't like this. I'm not gonna, those my column for it. Good luck with that. All right. Gotta go. I'll talk later. God bless. Thank you all for being here. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank God for the day above ground, the day of health, happiness, rituals with you. Thanks for the day of. And please always thank God for everything. Say, now I am the voice. I am in control, not a victim. I am happy, not sad. I am grateful, not self-harming. I am loving, not needy. I am safe, protected, and loved. I am 100% healthy in all ways. And then thank God for your relationships you have, especially with your significant other, especially with your wife. Thank you for Bree and I have such a great loving relationship. Thank you for all the people out there being blessed. They have someone so they don't have to go through life alone. Thank you for everything you've given us. Thank you for your kindness and your forgiveness of our sins. Please take us to heaven in spite of those. In Jesus Christ, thank you for these things. Amen. All right. Bye, guys, on TikTok. All right, YouTubers, God bless you all. You're welcome, Tony. God bless. Everybody have a great rest of your day. Will not most likely